Carbon and its compounds. What is carbon? Carbon is a chemical element. Symbol C. Atomic number 6. Atomic mass 12. It is the first element of the 14th group in the periodic table. So you can see the periodic table. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Means these are the vertical columns. From beginning, hydrogen start from hydrogen and end with a protonium. This is a vertical column. This is also vertical column. Means the 7, here you can observe that the 7 periods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means horizontal rows. The 7 horizontal rows are called periods and 18 vertical columns are called groups. Here you can see that hydrogen, then helium. This is the first period. Lithium to beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Second period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Third period. And potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. So this is the fourth period. Means the horizontal rows are called periods. Means here 7 horizontal rows are there. 1 and here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are called periods and 18 vertical columns. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 18 vertical columns are called groups. Now the carbon is belongs to which group? 14th group. This is a 14th group. The carbon is belongs to the 14th group. You can see here carbon from here 14th group. So in a 14th group means carbon belongs to which group? 14th group. So this group 14th group. So in a 14th group the first element is carbon. Here you can see the atomic number is 6. Symbol of carbon is C. And second point, it has 4 electrons in its outermost orbit. You know orbit and shells. So here we can see that a symbol of carbon is C and 6 is its atomic number and 12 is its atomic mass. So any elements we are representing, if symbol, then in subscript we are writing atomic number and superscript we are writing atomic mass. Now symbol of carbon is C. Electronic configuration of carbon atom is 2, 4. Electronic configuration is nothing but just distributing the electrons in a different shells. Shells are also known as orbits. Now you can observe here atomic number of carbon is 6. Then it contains 6 electrons and 6 protons. Means any atom will contains a number of protons and number of electrons are equally distributed in the atom. Now, how the electrons are distributed in atom with the various or different shells. First shell maximum the electrons will contains 2 and second shell will contains 8, but here you can observe carbon had only 6 electrons. Now we are distributing to K shell 2 electrons. So K shell 2 electrons and L shell 4 electrons. K shell 2 electrons and L shell 4 electron. First shell is called K shell and second shell is called L shell. So now the L shell is also known as valency shell. Means this is the outermost shell. This is the outermost shell, last shell. This shell is also known as valency shell. So here it contains 4 valence electrons. Here carbon atom contains 4 valence electrons. If the last shell, any atom, when you are writing the electronic configuration, the last shell containing 4, 5, 6 and 7. If it contains 4, 5, 6 and 7, then we are calling it a non-metal. Now carbon containing in outermost shell 4 electrons. So carbon is a non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. And how many valence electrons are there? So here, so carbon containing 4 valence electron. Then valency of carbon is 4. Correct. Valency of carbon is 4. So outermost shell containing 4 electrons. Outermost shell containing 4 electrons. So here the valency of carbon atom is 4 and valence electrons also 4 and it is a non-metal.